anesthesia which we give during cesarean also. So everyone starts telling that, acha, iske wajah. I had a patient whom I delivered 8 years back. They came to me and told, आपने cesarean किया था 8 years के पहले अभी back pain आ रहा है. So that is again a myth. No. What happens is delivery के बाद बहुत सारा rest लेना है. You have to take rest. They don't get into the physical activity too quick. Like I tell them, for a normal delivery 3 weeks, and for a C-section 6 weeks, get back on your toes. Start working. Start working out. Start mild stretches, low back stretches. You can start slowly. So that which they don't do. That is why you tend to put on weight. You don't be active. So all the back pain, shoulder pain, you're all the time sitting and feeding. All these aches and pains will start only because you don't resume to your physical activity too soon.
Because they say कि 3 months अगर सिसेरियन है, because when you deliver आप तो अपनी मम्मी के घर में रहते हो, तो मम्मी and all मायका people say कि नहीं अभी ससुराल नहीं जाना है, you have to be here for 3 months to take rest.
Correct. So that rest is bed rest. You're on the bed. So obviously aches and pains will, like say now, even without pregnancy, you just lie down for 2 days.
Yeah, you get too much pain.
That's all what happens, which has been blamed on the poor spinal and the doctors. Yeah.
So it's all safe.
Yes.
Whatever the doctor suggests, you should do, of course. And nowadays, people are egg freezing, and we see a lot of videos कि उनका egg freeze करके you can get it delivered from anybody. What is it? Like, I don't understand this concept at all.
Okay, so simple. Like as in when we age, the ovaries will also age. We have 2 ovaries, the right and the left ones. So what happens is we age and then the ovaries also age along with us. So the reserve in the ovary, जो अंडा जो क्या बनता है ovaries में, वो धीरे 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 कम हो जाएगा. It'll reduce. So when we start hitting 40 and plus 40, we will be hardly left with any follicles or eggs. So now, see, most of the women now are independent. We put our career first. Initially, it was not like that. Initially, it was like 16, 17, 18, and then the marriage and then the babies. That was the end of it. But now it's the career first. So now, wo shadi, or then even shadi hua to bhi, and then the babies, and then comes later. So now the point is about the egg freezing. Abhi 35 के बाद हो गया तो the reserve starts coming down, and then it'll